Right, today's objective is to find out why the engine blew up. We think the block's warped. We're going to take the engine out, strip it down, send the block and the head to machinists, and then rebuild it again for February.
Oh shit. Have to take a stance.
Got it? I'll help.
Jesus. Ooh.
Oh, that's a new head gasket, huh?
It's a brand new.
That's just 1 week.
That's just one start up.
That's one start off, yeah. I mean, I suppose the water's been sat there for a week, hasn't it?
Yeah, I'll put that. Maybe a bit of water's gone in there. That's not ideal, mate. I forgot this gimbal moves. There's